So it's actually been over 1 year since I've uploaded to YouTube. But I'm back now. And I actually wanted to talk about that because YouTube, so YouTube was actually one of the best ways to keep family and friends updated on my life, especially during the pandemic when everyone was scattered around the globe and it was sort of tough to keep in contact. YouTube was fantastic for that. But then we had a fire in our apartment. We don't know exactly what caused it. It supposedly started from the laundry room. So, you know, we're pretty lucky, all things considered. Since then, we've lived in a hotel, an Airbnb, a temporary apartment, and finally where we're living now, which means we've moved a total of 4 times in the past year. And in that time, we got good old Rosie over here, and we also expanded our video production business into an actual physical studio. Now that the dust has settled a little bit, I'm back and giving it another shot. So as far as this video goes, it's just a quick update as to why the videos have stopped for this extended period of time, and just sort of a thank you. You know, just because I haven't been uploading videos doesn't mean I haven't been actually reading the comments. I actually open up YouTube Studio quite regularly despite not having uploaded in a year. And it was just very heartwarming when I would get a message that says like, hey, like, where have you been? Why did the upload stop? When's your next video? Hope you're doing okay, man. So thank you. And this is just a quick update video. I'll see you again soon.